So this is a Gen 5 Honda Prelude, and I have the ever so popular spring issue that stops my outside door handle from springing back to where it is. I have since fixed the driver's side, so this video is to show you what I did to fix it, and hopefully this will get you guys out of trouble until we can find a more permanent solution. So now I've got my door latch out. Don't worry about this piece here. This is my sound deadening on the inside of the car. There are two 10mm bolts which you can get to from the inside. This is the rod that opens and closes the door, and this is the rod that locks and unlocks. The only way I found of getting this thing out, once you manipulate it out, is to physically unscrew that piece. So that threads into here, and then I basically spun this whole thing counterclockwise and counted. In this case mine took 11 turns to come completely off. Just got to remember that when I put it back on again, so it's all lined up. On the inside, that's your 10mm bolt, sorry, and there's another one. I can get it right up in there, which you get to through this little access panel on the side. Okay, alright, let's go to the bench and show you what I did. Okay, so the problem with these things is there's normally like a stopper piece of plastic up on the top here that snaps off. The whole idea with a spring is it latches in the back, and then that sits on the other side of the stopper. So when it breaks, this whole thing flaps around in the breeze, as you can see, and doesn't do what it's supposed to. So what I did in the last one, there is just a little bit of remnants of a notch in there. So I drilled through and created a channel, and then drilled a hole straight through, so that this part here has somewhere to stick. So I'm going to drill that now and show you what it looks like. Now there is the channel that I've drilled, basically from just make out the slot there. Okay, next point is the hole down the middle. Okay, there is the hole that I've drilled. So you can see it's at the end of the tube that I just did. Now what to do is pop the spring over and latch it in. And this is the end result. It is by no means perfect, but it should get you out of trouble for a little while until a replacement handle can be sourced. But now that is doing what it needs to do. So I hope that saves you a bit of time, a bit of money, and a bit of frustration. It's a simple fix. Give it a go and let me know. And just to show you that the technique works, here we are, back to operational again. Like I said, not designed to be a permanent fixture, but hey, if it gets you some time, gets you out of trouble, go for it. Talk soon.